Hi, I'm Christy Rost. Impressive side dishes make holiday meals deliciously memorable, like today's sweet potato and pear casserole. With a whisper of cinnamon and spice, it's destined to become a holiday tradition in homes everywhere. Place 4 large sweet potatoes in a large pot. Add enough water to cover, and then cover the pot, bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium and cook about 15 minutes until they are just knife tender. Next, I have a medium saucepan here, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then I have 1½ cups of apple cider. I'm just going to add a couple of tablespoons to the saucepan and stir this until the cornstarch mixture is completely mixed and smooth in there. That's called a slurry. And it's important to dissolve it completely so that you don't have little lumps in your sauce. Okay, so once that's done, then I add in the rest of the apple cider. Again, that was 1½ cups, and 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Then I'm going to bring this to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and cook it for about 5 minutes until it gets nice and thick and bubbly. And then I'll set it aside. I've peeled and sliced the sweet potatoes into 1/2 inch thickness. Then I've lined the whole bottom of a casserole dish with the sweet potato slices. Next, I've created a second layer, but just around the perimeter, leaving the center open. And now I'll add a 3rd layer of the sweet potatoes. In the meantime, I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And you'll note again, I'm leaving the center of the casserole open because that's where I'll place the pears a little later. So after I get these all around the perimeter, then I pour most of the sauce over the sweet potatoes. I'm going to reserve about 1/4 cup of sauce because I'll use that later over the pears. Then I will cover this and bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. So I've reserved the sauce. This is ready for the oven as soon as I cover it. I removed the casserole from the oven after 20 minutes, and now I'm filling the center with sliced red pears. The color is just so pretty with the orange of the sweet potatoes and the red of the pears. And you know what a casserole looks like is half of what it tastes like. So just put them in. I like to do kind of an overlapping pattern on mine. And if you have any left over, that's called cook's treat. So there we go. Let me just fix that last one in there. And then remember, I reserved 1/4 cup of the sauce, and I pour this over the pears. Then I'm going to cover it again, bake for 30 minutes until it's hot and bubbly, and then remove it from the oven. It's ready to serve. When it comes to holiday side dishes, sweet potato and pear casserole is always a favorite. Parboil the sweet potatoes one day ahead, and you're well on your way to an easy side dish everyone will love. Take care, make some joy.